Okay, the sun is up and it melted most of the ice. You can see the one I dug here, it's gone, but some of the ice are still on. That's slippery. It's really hard to go there because it's slippery there. And see here, there's still the sign, but here, don't walk on the ice because this is very slippery. So you better stay out here where there's no ice, and we'll check to see if the into to the door. Yeah, this side is already melted because of the sunshine. Sunshine is out, the sun is out, so we can open this car door and see if we can see all the ice that melted. And my door is open because I tried to open it earlier, so the door is open, and I want to check to see my battery is still good. I want to check if my car battery is still good. And you can see it's the windshield is still frozen because it didn't get the direct sunlight. And let me start. Wow, nice! My good battery that I replaced the old one with. Remember, like I don't know what month it was, but it stayed good. So now you can see the temperature. You see, oh, this is bad. I didn't have my I'm sorry about that one. I'm gonna fix it in a few seconds. Okay, and I just want to show you the temperature right now in the car, and it is 27 degrees with the sun shining. You can see sunshine melted all the ice on my side windows here on the left side. The right side, you still have the ice on my passenger side window, the back's window. The ice partially melted, or most of them were melted. And my car is still okay. My camper is good, which is good news. The water didn't really freeze over. No sign of water exploding or whatever. That's what I was worried. I was thinking about it last night. So the water is good. They probably have to bring this in just in case, so it will not freeze over and expand and explode. I want to check my water, my water pump. I want to be able to, if I can reach it. I want to see if I can reach the thing to release the pressure. I have to open it from that side, so I'll have to wait. But now since I'm running this battery, I'll try to recharge my battery first. Maybe 1 more minute or a couple more minutes. But you can see the road is still icy, so if you try to drive there, remember I showed you the driveway, there's ice. You have to wait another hour. Some of the ice have already melted out, but the problem is, since it's cold, once the sun disappears, it will just refreeze into ice, and that will make it dangerous to drive on because you cannot see that ice. It will be like a black ice, so you won't be able to know that there's ice there. That's the only problem. You get patches of those, especially the ones that are shaded, then it will refreeze right away. With the sun warming up, some of the snow or ice are still on the ground, but it is still gonna be dangerous to drive. So I think I have, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes already running, and then the car engine's running, so maybe it will be I want to add another minute just to make sure that my battery is fully charged. And you can see this the one I wrote, my channel name I wrote outside. It's still there. It's just a mirror image because we're on the other side. But don't forget to subscribe, fun or not. And I want to thank you for subscribing if you already did, for supporting my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I need more subscribers, and please watch all my videos. I would like to thank you for most people who will be with me, and for those who haven't subscribed but who also kept watching. I know some of you haven't decided yet to open another or open Gmail account, because that's what you need to be able to subscribe to the channel, because YouTube, I think, is owned by Google, so they have Gmail accounts, so it's easy. If you open a Gmail account, you get a free email, so everything is free. You get a free email, and then you get also a YouTube channel with your email, so it's all good. It's free, you don't have to pay anything, and it'll be fun too if you create your own channel, or if you watch other people's channel and support other people. But the sun is out, but it's still 27 degrees. Hopefully it will keep, the sun will stay out, and then it will melt everything, although the temperature is still cold because of the polar vortex, or whatever you call it, Arctic air, or I don't know. I'm not a meteorologist, I don't know what it is, but I think it's the cold air from the Arctic region, which is the north, and the wind or the pressure, the atmospheric pressure change. That's why the wind direction change, and so that's why the cold air is here in far south as Texas. Okay, hopefully everybody stays warm. Stay warm and keep safe. And I will update you as soon as there are other changes, or if I can drive. But I think for now I'm staying here. I want to thank my sister for letting me stay at her house, and to at least I'm warm and safe, and there's a lot of food, and I'm so happy. Okay, thank you. Hopefully everybody stay safe. See you soon. Bye. That side is still icy, so we have to wait for it to fully melt. Otherwise we're gonna be sleeping there, gonna slip and slide. Just have to pass over on this side. That way we will avoid the ice here, because this patch of ice is gonna be bad. It's still icy, and there's ice there. There's more ice there. Here at least it's all melted because of the sunshine. I'm just cleaning my sandal. When I go inside the house, it's clean. Okay. Slippery. I don't want to go so far out because it's slippery, and that's just a layer of ice, and there's water underneath, but it's sure is slippery. I don't want to try to go all the way down there. I can try, but don't want to risk broken arms, so maybe not. Fun or not, it should be fun, but I don't think it's not fun if you're gonna fall, so I'm not gonna do it. Okay, even though I think it will be good for video, but better safe than sorry. Okay, bye bye.